Henry the Weeder Man. I got the leak taken care of. Saw's idling good. Got good trigger response. High end crazy. High end crazy high on this thing. It's kind of scary. Like it's gonna blow up on you. Anyways, 15,000, 14 to 15,000 RPM. Idles back down nicely. That's the best I can do for this old booger, but I got her in there. I think he'll be happy. Oh yeah. Alright, well, that's the best I can do on this saw. Don't have a lot of parts for it, so I think the customer will be happy that it's running. Best you can do. It's old and it can't get a lot of parts for it, so you gotta run. You'll be happy with it. A lot of power. Piston's really good. I checked that already. Alright, well, Henry the Weeder Man out. That's an old Craftsman saw, 16-inch bar. Here's the model number. I don't like it. Idle's really good. Shuts off nice. Let's see what it does when I start it. Oh yeah, that like that. One easy pull. Whoop. Alright. I'll do 10 more because that's what I do. I do 10 starts, start while I was hot. And then see how she does. Alright, Henry Weeder Man out.